Hello YouTube. Bon du coup, dans cet épisode, on va continuer à aller explorer le bosquet. Il me semble qu'il y a encore quelques trucs à faire. Pas énormément.
I'll be keeping an eye on you. Understand?
If I choose to kill you, you will not even see it.
Vraiment, c'est un peu agaçant ce point d'exclamation au-dessus de ma tête.
Yes,
On va parler à volo.
yes, I see. Do my eyes deceive me? A drow! Here! Forgive my surprise. It's rare to find your kind above ground. Rare and intriguing on a day already packed with intrigue. You were at the gates just now, no? When the goblins came? You saw them up close? A few questions, if you please. There's no overstating my interest.
Très bien, je vous écoute.
Glory. Now then, how would you describe that particular batch of goblins? Size, nature, distinguishing qualities?
You search your mind, successfully recalling various details of goblin behavior.
N'avez-vous pas vu le vaisseau à tentacules? C'était une force d'invasion des Illitides. Quoique, lui faire une description fidèle.
Goblins were of a rare, jam-colored hue and wielded magic blowguns.
A Mythweaver. This man has no respect for truth.
And the dragon they had marching in the rear, was it of the brass or silver variety?
Un dragon, vraiment, que c'est commun.
Witness declined to comment on nature of dragon. Last question, then you'll be quite free. Did the attackers rally to the absolute when they fell upon the gates?
Tout à fait, il scandait son nom comme si c'était leur hymne de combat.
They did, didn't they? Oh, curious. Oh, curious indeed. I've interrogated one, a captive in this very camp. She reports they've abandoned their god Maglabiet in favor of someone called the Absolute. The scandal!
Vous m'en direz tant, et comment Magloubiette a-t-il réagi?
Oh, I'd imagine him quite displeased. Since their change in allegiance, these goblins are informed by a kind of strategy anathema to their kind. I, for one, intend to get to the bottom of it. I'm just preparing to head to their camp as we speak, in fact. If you'll excuse me, I ought not to dawdle.
Attendez, expliquez-moi pourquoi vous avez fait mention à un dragon lors de notre conversation précédente.
My friend, every story benefits from a dragon.
Ah,
Until we meet again.
quel imbécile.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Have you lost your senses, Koga? Release her.
She stole the idol of Sylvanas. She must pay the price. We will imprison.
Please. I'm sorry.
This is madness, Koga. She's just a...
A what, Wrath? A thief? A poison? A threat? I will imprison the devil. And I will cast out every stranger.
A death viper. You have milked their poison before. A single drop of it could kill that child in a heartbeat.
Une voleuse du poison, de quoi cette fillette est-elle accusée en réalité?
Girl? You mean parasite? She eats our food, drinks our water, then steals our most holy idol in thanks. Wrath, lock her up. She remains here until the rite is complete. And keep still, devil. Tila is restless.
Come, Koga. We took back the idol. Surely...
Do it.
The snake's hiss of approval reveals its intentions. Should the child struggle, it is poised to strike. The death of a child. A timeless tragedy that never grows old.
Sylvie se préoccupait manifestement plus des graines noblement semées que du fait de punir les enfants, non? On va profiter d'avoir du bagou.
The words of the Tree Father, spoken plain. It is as you say. Sifisif, Tila, to me. Out, thief. My grace has its limits.
It hurts.
Thank you, Koga. Master Halsin...
Halsin isn't here. Keep his name off your tongue, lest Tila pierce it.
Quelle personne charmante. Parlons un petit peu à nos compagnons. Commençons par Ombrecoeur.
I know that look. You're wondering why I was in pain before. Let's just clear the air about that now. It's just an old wound that hurts me from time to time. Nothing to be concerned about. It's nothing to do with the tadpoles, at least, in case your imagination is in danger of getting away from you. It's just something I have to live with.
Oui, vraiment douloureuse.
Quite a lot, if I'm being honest. But it always passes quickly, so I can manage.
Vous êtes vraiment sûr que ce n'est pas lié à votre larme?
Positive. You can trust me on that.
Changeons de sujet. On parlera de tout ça plus tard. Gale.
That woman has more venom in her heart than a snake in its fangs. But at least the child is safe. What is youth if not a time to be forgiven for one's transgressions?
Servir d'une fillette de la sorte, c'est monstrueux. Je suis heureuse que nous soyons intervenus.
Couldn't agree more. The girl wasn't innocent, but that doesn't mean she was guilty.
A deep elf. In our grove, on this day. A sign. Or rather, a gift. Who better to understand a watchful broodmother than a beloved child of Lolth?
Vous avez protégé votre sans la moindre hésitation, je vous félicite. En soi, là, en vrai, je le fais vraiment juste pour gagner des points auprès de les ailes, hein. C'est tout.
And yet you petitioned on the thief's behalf.
Et auprès d'Ombrecoeur, c'est tout.
A curious display of mercy. A viper bears her fangs defending her brood. Is it not her nature to strike at invaders? I took back the idol of Sylvanus, and the rite has resumed. We will seal the grove, free from harm, free of intruders.
À votre guise, cette histoire ne me regarde pas.
So you say, yet the child walks free. You showed great mettle at the gate. The mettle of a skilled sword for hire. I want you to provide your services to the tiefling leader. Zevlor, he's called. Offer to guide the Outlanders out of the grove. I'm sure they'll reward you well. They're to be gone before final prayer. If they are not, the Viper must strike.
J'acquiesce autant que vous voudrez, les réfugiés ne sont pas mon problème.
Then they soon know the sting of my venom. Get out. We have no more business.
Alors ici, il y a possibilité de faire un... Comment c'est là? Voilà, il y a possibilité de se faufiler un petit peu.
Careful, I bite.
Et avec Astarion, on va
Quietly.
crocheter. Ouh, tout juste.
Time for bitter business the light would fear to shine on.
Oh! On va lire ça. Ah, visiblement, Kaga a un rendez-vous dans un marais.
On my way.
On a récupéré un bâton intéressant, tiens. Ah.
I see you. Just give me a moment.
Attendre patiemment.
This medicatrix.
There. It's up to her now. Life or death. Now, what? Drow. Last time I saw one of you folk, he tried to slit me open. I hope you're more agreeable.
Voulez-vous rencontrer?
That's neither here nor there. Look, you obviously want something. What is it?
J'ai besoin de soins, j'ai bien l'impression que vous êtes la personne de la situation.
I do what I can. For most folks, that's enough. Come here. Let's have a look at you. You seem healthy enough. A bit tired around the eyes, maybe.
Inutile d'y aller par 4 chemins. Alors voilà, j'ai une larve dans la tête.
A tadpole. A mind flayer tadpole.
Vous savez ce que c'est? Vous pouvez m'aider?
I'll do what I can. Come, follow me. I might be able to help. We need to be quick. This way.
Ouais, parce que la porte, elle est... C'est assez insupportable. Voilà.
Head on in.
There's something in that vessel. Take a closer look.
Take a closer look.
Don't worry about him on the table. I'm not in the habit of killing drow. He attacked Master Halsin and I in the woods, leading a pack of goblins. Tadpole crawled out of his head soon after.
Il y avait une larve lui aussi?
Seems so. Gave Master Halsin a right start. It's why he joined the adventurers on their expedition. To find out what was happening. A pity you got me instead of him. He understands these things. Studied them. Still, we have options. You don't have to be here for this.
Please, don't mind me. I'll just watch.
All right. Let's see what we can do.
Merci, toute aide est bonne à prendre.
Of course. Now, tell me what's been happening. Any symptoms? Strange events?
Je peux fusionner mortellement avec n'importe quelle autre personne infectée.
Victims can identify each other. Not that the others know they're victims, of course. How'd you pick up the parasite? Halsin was desperate to find where all this was happening.
C'est à bord d'un vaisseau de flageurs mentaux. Ils m'ont infecté après m'avoir capturé. Soyons
Mind
honnêtes.
Flayer ship? But Master Halsin was sure. Look, you've been straight with me, so I'll be straight with you. You're dangerous. If you transform here, we're all dead. But you seem like a good soul. You deserve a chance to save yourself. This is a vial of wyvern poison. Swear to me, you'll swallow it if you feel any symptoms.
Je crois que vous étiez capable de me soigner. Et votre branche alors?
The thorn? Coated in a fatal toxin. It was a last resort, in case I couldn't trust you. I don't have a cure. Only a way out. I'm sorry for misleading you, but I had to be sure you weren't a threat before I told you everything. Now, do I have your word or not?
Je le jure.
I hope it doesn't come to that, but thank you. Here.
De toute façon, on n'est pas très content.
I've spent my life treating folk and never once saw a mind flayer infection. Then suddenly, there's dozens of you. Maybe more. Master Halsin and I were tracking them, studying them, trying to figure out what the hells was going on. Because you should all be changing. There should be a small army of mind flayers out there. But you're not. Weird powers aside, you seem perfectly normal.
Comment ça? On devrait avoir commencé à se transformer?
Mind flayers reproduce by infecting someone with their parasite. 7 gruesome days later, the victim transforms and a new mind flayer is born. The thing in your skull, though? It's different to anything in our records. It's one of their worms for sure. But this one gives you powers. Telepathic connections. And it doesn't turn you into one of them. Not yet, anyhow.
Vous pensez que ce n'est qu'une question de temps, c'est ça?
Could be. But there's a lot we don't know. Infected, folks like you, have been converging on an old temple of Selûne. And I've no idea why. When Master Halsin heard the adventurers were heading that way, he saw a chance to get answers. Joined on the spot. Whatever he found there, he didn't make it back.
Que dois-je faire au juste?
The thing is, I've sent birds to find him. But the place is rotten with goblins. None of us can even get close. You, though, you're one of them. Technically speaking, I mean. They won't kill someone carrying their parasite. If you can find Halsin and get him out of there, we can discover what he learned. And perhaps he can save your life. How's that sound?
D'accord, je partirai à la recherche d'Halsin.
Thank you. It would mean everything to the Grove. To me. I wish I could tell you more. But only those adventurers know what happened out there. All I can say for sure is they all went to the old temple of Selûne. And Master Halsin didn't make it back. Good luck out there. And if things start to go bad, remember the vial. Remember your oath. One step at a time, Nettie. Come on.
Wyvern.
Ok.
Lethal stuff.
Elle part.
We won't have to
Moi, ça me va.
sample its delights.
Je vais me permettre de récupérer ça. Suivez le druide. Ah oui, donc du coup, vraiment... Il cherchait... Il cherchait Halsin, hein. Par contre, il y a un truc...
Yes? Eager for battle.
Whatever comes. I'm ready.
Oui, c'est toi qui a... Qu'est-ce que t'as là-dedans? Ah! Ok. C'est purement cosmétique.
What to do? With haste.
Bien, bien, bien. Eh ben, sortons d'ici. Antidote.
I'll give it a shot.
C'est un bouquin.
Just want my bed.
Oui, c'est des recettes.
That mural, they look like Dark Justiciars.
Ah ouais?
In darkest hour, a concord made, twixt harp and wild against the shade. Harp and wild. A riddle to some, but you understand the meaning immediately. The druids turn to the harpers for help. Unusual for such a territorial group.
The Blade of Frontiers. Let's hope Will lives up to his name. We'll need all the help we can get.
Je pensais qu'elle allait me faire une remarque par rapport à... Ah voilà. Les peintures murales que nous avons vues au bosquet, j'ai l'impression qu'elles ont attiré votre attention.
What can I say? They were eye-catching. Consider me an art lover.
On parlera de tout ça plus tard.
Find our master. Return to me then. Tell me what you find. Tell only me. Understand? Fly quick. Fly safe.
Je pense qu'à terme, je vais faire pas mal de respec. Même mon personnage, en vrai, je pense qu'après, je vais le... Quand je pourrai, j'irai le respec. Oh, merci. D'après les souvenirs, il y avait un rocher à bouger dans le coin. Ah si, regardez.
Oh, enough waiting. I crave blood.
How many die
Ah.
today? How many die tomorrow?
Amulette de Sylvanus.
If not over, then through.
Yes, I see. And is that her with two R's or one?
Something.
Alors je ne sais plus si je dois lui parler ou si je dois juste jeter le poisson. Ah voilà, lancer un poisson près du mont de charge. Oh. Non, par contre, si vous pouviez monter sur le mont de charge, je vous en serais gré.
Got to keep moving. At least things have stayed interesting. Another.
Et on va avoir un combat à faire. Non, c'est quand même une sacrée partie. Hein, C'est quand même un sacré morceau.
Time to strike.
Le bosquet.
My path be true.
There's blood in the air. Keep them guessing. Fleet of foot.
Ah, je l'ai bien embêté.
Got to press on.
Je sais pas si elle va pouvoir escalader ou s'il va faire le tour. Ah, quoi qu'il en soit, je peux pas l'attaquer plus que ça. Ouais.
Time to push my luck again.
Victory is assured.
En fait, sauter, ça permet de grappiller un petit peu plus de distance que si... que si j'avançais tout simplement.
I will ascend.
Dommage.
Let's have some fun. Over here.
Bien.
Everything is clear.
You have good timing. Never been much of a fighter, so wrestling a bugbear would have gone poorly. But you're not here for heroics, are you? Avernus's stench is all over your skin. Let me guess. Your devil mistress sent you to get her soul coin back. Too bad. I earned it, fair and square.
Je suis déjà allé en Avernus, mais je ne travaille pas pour les diables.
Care to explain why you reek of the hells?
Bah, parce que j'y suis déjà allé, as I said. Soyons honnêtes, je me suis fait enlever par un flageur mental et son vaisseau a filé droit vers l'Avernus.
Well, that's quite the story. And I thought I was doomed. Now I feel sorry for you. Here. Take this. It's worth a fortune. But a fortune's not worth much if you're dead. Consider it payment for saving my life.
A soul coin, true to its name, holds a mortal soul inside. It serves in the Nine Hells as very valuable currency.
Okay.
I'll just help myself.
I can do better. I must.
May it please, Mystra.
Let's move.
Alors.
On my feet.
Alors, il reste pas mal de trucs à faire en réalité. Hein. On peut aller parler à Zevlor. On peut aller libérer la gobeline. Il y a pas mal de trucs à faire. On peut aller parler aux orphelins. Il y a vraiment pas mal de choses à faire encore.
These tieflings prove fragile. I've a mind to end their misery myself.
Harsh.
Hop, on va sortir d'ici et je pense qu'on va couper pour cet épisode. Hop là.
So, you know about these parasites. Will we survive them?
Only if my people extract them. The only other cure is the blade.
Je laisse parler. Ok.
Okay.
Ah.
Wonderful.
Ok. Bon, du coup, on va s'arrêter ici. Dans le prochain épisode, on va aller continuer à explorer cette partie-là. La partie de la zone du crash. Il nous reste un endroit qu'on n'a pas visité. Voilà, des bisous YouTube.